lot for staying with Republic TV. I'm Shivani Gupta. Let's get you more of the excitement that is building up across the country, but especially in the Indian Air Force and the armed forces, with the arrival of the first batch of the 36 Rafale jets that India has ordered from the French government and from the maker Dassault, that are set to arrive in India and touch base for the very first time in Ambala at the Indian Air Force base. Remember, the batch consists of the 5 Rafale jets that are part of the larger 36 Rafale jets deal. As many as 10 are ready. The 5 are arriving to India, while the other 5 that are ready now are also completing their training missions in France. This is a 7,000-kilometer journey that the Rafales are making to India from France, with one stop at the UAE base as well. There was also mid-air refueling that was undertaken. Now, these are of course extremely important developments, because this is happening 4 years after the inter-government contract was first signed. We all remember what has happened since. A lot of controversy, especially by the Congress party, and Rahul Gandhi especially raked up. There were allegations of corruption that were made, but the Supreme Court in its verdict had announced that there is absolutely no case for anything wrong that can be made out as far as this government-to-government deal is concerned. On top of that, it is also important to note that the Rafales, the 4.5 generation aircraft jets, fighter planes, are extremely important for India, because for a very long time there was a need to bolster the Indian fleet and add to the Indian squadrons, and the Rafale is a purchase that has been made after several years. Since the Bofors scandal, as far as army procurements is concerned, the entire process had taken a setback, and it has taken around 5-6 years or a little more than that to get it back on track. The importance of the Rafale fighter jet, of course, arriving with the first batch consisting of 5 of the jets, cannot be overstated, and this has been a long time coming. So after the Rafale jets, the first batch makes its way and arrives at the Ambala Air Force Station. We are getting to know that there isn't any immediate induction ceremony that is likely. The focus of the Air Force will remain on the integration of the pilots and the crew with the overall operations of the Air Force. Along with that, the Air Force over the next few months will focus on operationalization of the jets, and it will be a part of the Golden Arrows squadron. An induction ceremony is likely. Details are still not so forthcoming just yet exactly that will take place, but of course it will be something that the Indian Air Force is planning to and not just the jets in themselves, but Dassault, the aviation jets maker, is also training Indian pilots and crew as far as the handling of the jets is concerned, which is going to be extremely important as well.